Aloha, everyone. Starting off with the Nasdaq today was the only index that was up for the day. The rest of the indexes were down. However, as I made mention in my nightly analysis, if you would have just given me my scans and not told me what the market did overall, I would have had absolutely no clue what it did, and I probably would have said that it was up 1% today. So to see the Russell 2000 down 0.101%, the Dow Jones Industrial Average 0.41%, and the S&P 500 down 0.02% overall with my scans is pretty amazing because I had no sells tonight, no partial sells, no full sells. It's this tonight in Maui right now at 6:30 p.m. Just got done surfing, so once again, apologize for the late videos, but it's been an incredible winter, and surf in my life, it comes before the video right now just because I have to due to life circumstances that happened a few months ago. But anyway, tons and tons of signals. I'm just going to throw out a few. III gave me a signal today. FDML would have been a legitimate buy signal. QIHU was a legitimate buy signal today. MYL was a legitimate buy signal today. ASPS was a legitimate buy signal today. I'm not going to keep repeating that part, but look at Buffalo Wild Wings. PCRX, same thing. You have ALKS, you have ENDP, you had FNSR, so many. EVC, MHO, even. Just nice moves all over. And even Wells Fargo produced a pocket pivot point buy signal. Salesforce.com. So just an incredible day overall. Just so many signals as I keep on throwing these charts up that I can just see on the piece of paper that's far away. Somebody asked me today why I didn't go long BITA. BITA's up 14%. They're like, but Josh, back in the old days, you went long Taser after it was up. So first off, I wasn't looking at my charts whenever I answered earlier. Yeah, back then it was before 2011, 2012, before I had a 30% 2-year drawdown, which absolutely shocked me because my returns almost from 1998 to 2008, I averaged twice the annual return of the stock market. So to have 2 years down really, messed me up. But the thing is, the buy points in Taser, the key thing is look at BOP. If you look at BOP, you will see that BOP is not green all the way here. If you go study the Taser charts and the Hill charts and all the other past big winners, which I will put up because all the charts are down, so I got to put them back up during the site move. We forgot to back it up, me and Bob, with dumb move on both of our parts. But there's a lot more green BOP. Bottom line, a ton of more green BOP all the way in the base to the breakout. BITA, it's his first day of green BOP since the day back here in December. So not the same kind of chart whatsoever. Very not quite a good reference, I guess you could say, overall. But overall, there was just tons of signals everywhere, and these are the ones I am going to take. Sturm Ruger is giving me a breakout of a cup pattern signal, beautiful weekly chart, and I love that what its brother is doing. The sales and earnings is just outstanding, so I got to add to that. PRGO, got to add to that. Look at the max green BOP. Look at the breakout. I gotta add to that. WST, I have to add to that. CGX is a new long, and LOPE is new long. The problem with these two new longs is that I'm low on cash. I don't have a whole lot to work with, so what I'm going to do is, no matter what, I'm going to take some of WST, some of PRGO, just because these two charts are my favorite. So these two are my absolute two that I got to get long. The secondaries will be Sturm Ruger, CGX, which, look at this chart pattern, look at all the accumulation, looks like it wants to rip to 100, and then LOPE. Those three stocks will be on the back burner. If I can even put 0.01% cash into them, then that's all that they get. Commissions with the amount of capital I have in my portfolio don't kill me at all. But now we're getting down to very small money levels where it just like, really, do I just really want 2, 3, 4, 5 shares of LOPE, and 2, 3, 4, 5 shares of CGX, and maybe like 2 shares of PRGO. So, it's something I got to start considering as my cash on hand is extremely low, less than 0.05% of my account capital. All right, everybody, pretty long video. My apologies. Have a great Friday. I mean Thursday.